English teacher strategies is managing large classes as case study. Abstract. This study aimed on advancing one, English teacher strategies is managing large classes, and two, student perfection to work their English teacher strategies. The design of this research is qualitative, which a case study approach. This study involved for English teacher and then student at the one stage Madrasah Sanawiyah in Palembang, Indonesia. The data were collected through observation, interview, and document review. Thematic analysis were conducted across a data set. Depending dimension that planning the lesson, organizing, encountering the student, managing classroom communication and talking time. Then giving writing and time feedback on student work where the strategies applied by the English teacher. The use of these strategies was positively perceived by the student that they could have a better understanding, practice mutual respect, and enjoy the lesson. Therefore, it might be a good idea to review teacher strategies in this study to address the difficulty of teaching English in large class setting. Introduction. English play very important roles in many fields of human life. It can be used in education and business to get information, job, and entertainment. Ready 2069, Richard 20, even 2015. Also that the English may be required for social survival and employment for new immigrants in English-speaking countries. An essential tool for education and business for some learns the language of travel and large activities of citizens for other and popular language for the media, entertainment, the internet, and other forms electronic. Communication, if can be called that English help prevent function in many aspects of human life. Learning English is essential for today's generation to depth to English communication, literal media, and work in the present and future. Therefore, in Indonesia, English included as a subject in the school curriculum. This is supported by Lee 27, which states that English is taught and used as a first language in Indonesia. It is the first language learned as a compulsory subject at school. Panggebaran 2015, Hagen 2016, to widen the student understanding of English as a first language. Mahu 20 the English, the first program language officially taught as a compulsory subject to students from enjoy secondary school in Indonesia. In teaching English as a first language, teachers as the facilitators of student learning take a variety of roles within the classroom. One of the important roles of the Marzona and Vickering 23. As a classroom manager, a teacher should have a set skill and etiquette that create a positive and productive learning environment for the student cannot superficially teach their students if they are not in control of the class. The control of students by the teacher in the classroom, then by the record as the goal of classroom manager. In summary, effective English teaching and learning cannot take a place in fully managed classroom. Class size is one of the influencing matters is managing the classroom. The size of classroom may even the teacher classroom manager. It can make influence the cases of failure of classroom manager. Class size relates to the number of students in a class. It refers to the actual number of students taught by teacher. However, according to Brown, for effective language learning, a class should have not more than 12 students. A classroom with too many students often presents some problem per student to speak and interpret teacher feedback when student writing work. In addition, large class is usually hot, crowded, and noisy, ineffective the teaching process and student academic performance. It also reduces effective classroom control. To overcome the problem of a large class, teachers need to help improve student learning equipment with optimal classroom management. Several studied investigate vertical strategies that teachers use in teaching in large class to create positive student-teacher international social and turn reward that self-disclosure, caring leadership, and making the class feel similar are the strategies to promote positive introduction in large classes. Hart 2015 claims that teachers should move around the class the record physical and social distance and help to students in learning in short problem of large classes are also faced by the English teacher at one of the state's Islamic problem of large classes are also faced by the English teacher at the state's Islamic Junior High School, Madrasah Sanawiyah in Palembang. This school is also likely to have class of large size. Based on our preliminary study result, a teacher had to teach for 42 to 45 students in each class. It was really in overcome class and deferred for the teacher and control. The students were very nice. This for a lack individual attention were the other problem in the class. However, the English teacher had their strategies to manage the classroom and make the student feel comfortable in learning. We contract this reach to know more detail about English teacher strategies in managing a large class and student perfection of the strategies used by their English teacher in managing a large class. In specific, this research was aimed at 1. Exploring English teacher strategies in managing large classes, and 2. Exploring student perfection through the strategies used by their English teacher. Literal review: teaching English a foreign language. Teaching is a way to convey knowledge to students. Teaching may be defined as a process to help students learn how to something and understanding what knowledge is. Give Brown 20. Likewise, the work of teaching includes both cultural comprehension and fundamental of student effective practical. Thus, the student can be knowledge teaching process by the teacher. Teaching English is an important job. The objective tasks of teaching English are basically related to the cognitive and systemotor domain that the student can understanding the English grammar, speak, read, and write English correctly. Teaching English as a French language quickly teacher to deliver the English language adequately and intellectually and encourage students in important their English skill through listening, speaking, reading, and writing activities. The role of teacher in managing the class as the facilitator of student learning. A teacher takes a friendly role in the classroom. One of the most important roles of the teacher is being a classroom manager. Warzano, Vincerin 23, Raj and Roger 20. Explain that the teacher is responsibility for the determining the contract of what is through setting the intellectual patterns of class activities and giving the student organize of the focus the reason. This indicate the important roles of the teacher determine the student sketch the learning Habibi Mukmin Safwan dan Sultavio 2070. A teacher with strong classroom management can create an environment for students to learn and behave in new and different ways, which discussion the ability for teacher to organize classroom and manager the behavior of their student is critical to achieving positive educational outcomes. The effective learning can begin with the critique of existing learning atmosphere. Developed classroom management is a very important in the teaching learning process. The teacher has to give the student practice to make the teaching learning process easy activities and more comfortable. Classroom management strategies. Management refers to skill the organizer presentation of lesson so the all phase of actively engagement in learning. Smith and Lectures 22. Classroom control and management during teaching. Management strategies is way what is applied by the teacher in the classroom with various aspects and goals to get excitement in the learning process. According to assessment, H1 and Kasman 2015. The management strategies to redirect the student back to the lesson to not encourage of student learning. By this definition, management strategy focuses on the process learning goals, setting policy development and planning to achieve objective. It can control the aim of learning itself. Classroom management is what Teacher to ensures that student in the refers to the action teacher take the great and important that a respectful, caring, orderly ability of teacher the organize classroom and manage the behavior the student learning can be with great and acting learning atmosphere. The far classroom when teachers should evaluate strategies to match their classroom so that control and student learning can occur. Large class. This definition of large class may different in different contexts according to UNESCO. In some countries, student for teacher consider large, while in other countries this seen normal or even quite small. Large when has more than dozen students. This inflates that the classroom student can lead some difference during which individual in the classroom. The teacher often perfect large class troubles difference and problem include smaller classes. The large classes have more students than faculty and support argues that teaching in such large classes is really burdening teacher than has differed large the student in learning and learners can feel that in hard effective classroom activities that in large class but teacher and student. Invest James Baker and Webster describe the change occurred the teacher and student large English classes, motivation and learning English. Difficulty of student hearing the teacher explanation regular learning to back of continue time consuming talking the research teacher and have to much making to do records to make learning interesting. Teacher strategies in teaching English in large classes. In teaching large classes, teaching should prefer some strategies to deal with various students with different ability and possibility, provide them with the opportunity to teacher strategies in managing large classes, solid internet, influence teacher for pedagogical strategies to create positive student introduction, country student, and introduction challenge. They refer the sharper strategy like self-discourage, scouting, leadership, and making the class feel smaller have positive implication for the student learning performance. In addition, Baker and Westrop mentioned that of the teacher strategies in managing large work teacher such as 1. Planning, 2. Class management, 3. Organization, 4. Group and fair work, 5. Teacher talk consist of balancing teacher and student talking time, giving clear introduction reason for using the student first language in the classroom, using concise language questionnaire test take with 6. Managing classes with mixed ability that are dealing with afraid the stranger student. 7. Correction and marking. 8. Making and evaluating. These strategies are great for successful rich class handling. Methodology. Rich design participants and locale of this study. In the study, we use quantitative rich design with a case study. Average case study, one of the approaches used in issue that haven't in place. Explains that a case study in study is issue equate to one or detailed in the data collection involving multiple cases of information. We should this approach because the major data collection where the from qualitative data to find out strategies of English teacher and managing large class and perfection of student on strategy use by their English teacher. Additionally, quantitative case study was used in this study because the finding of this study may not be generalized to the other strategy Islamic Junior High School, Madrasah Sanawiyah in Indonesia. In selected practical of the study, we use pervasive sampling teaching. We learned our judgment in closing the teacher and student to practical in this study. Pervasive sampling in the racial essentially section individual. This range use the maximum variance sampling strategy to develop many perspective important common patterns. Our teacher factors consist of 4 English teacher and student at the start Madrasah Sanawiyah in Palembang, Indonesia. Quality research does not need to have large. They were likely to generate usable data for this research. The English teacher was selective based characteristic. They have process degree in English language education and have been teaching English for last 5 years. Important attribute of teacher quality. The students were selected slightly personal data, and informal practical recording. This issue through the name of the research practical variantes. Data collection and analysis, interview, observation with note taking, and document review were complete to collect the research data. Note taking during observation in necessarily to support the data from interview. The observation such consists of 7 indicates about teacher in educate consists length classes. Direct observation were consists in each classroom to get feel infants. There each participant was interviewed to obtain information about teacher strategies in managing large classes and student fraction to work those strategy. We applied some hard were also review several documents such as English lesson plan and conference book for additional information. The data gets the observation and interview were analyzed by using thematic analysis to They permit information about the English teacher strategy in managing large classes and student perfection. The strategies use English teacher and managing large cases. First, we first organize and list the data from observation and interview. In the process where real transformation encode the data related to the study. We made themes for the code that intimates the terms. Interaction terms mean the with research context. Terms display track of squid 7 when match personal information from the terms and code. The final summary if this research connection, the research question. Ethical consideration. In this research we use concession to evaluate the equality of our research finding gauge from data collection. Triangulation is corroborate evidence process be different individual. Subsequently, there are six technical of translation such invasion through combines the interaction methodological, technical, triangulation, triangulation, and place triangulation. We avoid teaching of methodology currently in this study in which we use different methods and some subject this avoid more comprehensive data and provide confirmation of finding. Thus the data from observation confirmed by the data from interview and vice versa. Finally, those data we complete each other and enhance understanding English teacher strategies in managing large classes and student perfection their English teacher strategy. Findings. The research findings answered to the research question in the study. 1. Were English teacher strategy in managing large classes at the study Madrasah Sanawiyah in Palembang? And 2. What were a student perfection on the strategy used by the English teacher in managing large classes at the study Madrasah Sanawiyah in Palembang?